In the tournament of Pontinha, it's one more important tournament for young players, the under 12.
Pedro,
Sí.
we don't have much time because it started being cold a little bit.
.com/radio. FORHERS.com/radio.
You know how
Hey, look next time.
I definitely would have tipped over them. What the?
I don't know, I think Sherry's a little stressed. What was that?
Someone had a bunch of tires fall off their car and hit mine.
Oh.
But most of these are pretty low. There's a couple that have like 1100, okay? But for the most part, we're looking at like 21 reviews at 50 plus bought, 8 reviews, 50 plus bought in the last month. I actually love this, like how many people are buying.
But it's crazy. Like, he had one hand on the... What the Oh my god!
What happened, babe?
Ah! Oh my god, what is he doing? Babe!
Babe, what happened?
Oh, shit. I don't know.
Babe.
I got into an accident. Oh my god. Oh my god,
Where are
babe.
you?
I'm on the Bell Parkway. This guy just reversed into me. What the hell is going on?
Aquí tenemos lo que decían Litos. A ver qué hace la gente. ¡Morros! ¡Meteros en el gas al ferro! ¡Gas al ferro! ¡Qué tontos, tío! ¡Hostia, importan millones, tío! ¡Madre mía! ¡Hostia puta!
alright? Okay. Donnie alright? Boom! Jeez! Licked it clean off. What a fool. The bus driver. Oh my days.
Okay.